What happens if men eat 2 dates a day for 1 month? This is a simple yet powerful way to boost men's health. One of the most common issues men face is low energy and fatigue. You wake up feeling drained, you struggle to get through the day, and you're too much tired to even think about any kind of physical activity. But just eating dates every single day for a month can solve most of your health problems. From boosting energy levels to improving digestion, the potential benefits are vast. So, if you're curious to know about how this small change can impact your health, and is there any side effects, then keep watching until the end. The date palm has been cultivated in the Middle East and North Africa for more than 5,000 years. They're considered a staple in Middle Eastern diets and are even called nature's candy because of their natural sweetness. But these common fruits aren't just about their taste. They're packed with powerful nutrients that can seriously benefit your health. So, what's the deal with eating just 2 dates a day? Let's break it down. First, boosts energy levels. One of the most immediate effects of consuming dates is an increase in energy levels. Dates are high in natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick energy boost. This makes them an excellent snack before workouts or during midday slumps. Research indicates that athletes who consume dates before exercise experience improved performance due to the quick-release energy they provide. Next, improves digestive health. Dates are rich in dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in digestive health. Eating 2 dates daily can help prevent constipation by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. The fiber content helps to bulk up stool and facilitate its passage through the intestines. Over a month, this can lead to significant improvements in digestive comfort and regularity. Number 3, supports heart health. Dates are high in potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels by counteracting sodium's effects. Additionally, their antioxidant properties help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These 2 factors contribute to heart disease. Studies suggest that eating dates can lower cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Next, enhance bone health. Dates contain several minerals vital for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and selenium. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones and may help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. By eating 2 dates daily for a month, you may enhance your bone density and overall skeletal strength. Next benefit is regulate blood sugar levels. This may surprise you. Contrary to popular belief about sugary foods, dates have a low glycemic index. This means they do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels when consumed in moderation. Their fiber content also aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and absorption of sugars. This makes them suitable for individuals with diabetes when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Number 6, promote brain health. Dates are rich in antioxidants known to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These 2 factors are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Regular consumption of dates may support cognitive function and memory retention over time. A month of eating 2 dates daily could potentially enhance your brain health significantly. Next, boosts immunity. The high antioxidant content in dates helps strengthen the immune system by fighting off free radicals that cause cellular damage. Additionally, their antibacterial properties may help fight off infections and illnesses. By incorporating 2 dates into your daily routine for a month, you could see improvements in your overall immunity. Number 8, aids weight management. While dates are calorie-dense due to their sugar content, they can still play a role in weight management when consumed mindfully. Their fiber content promotes feelings of fullness and satiety, which can help control appetite and reduce overall caloric intake throughout the day. Eating 2 dates as a snack instead of processed sugary foods can lead to healthier weight management over time. Next, improves skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants found in dates may also contribute to healthier skin. Vitamin C and D present in dates help maintain skin elasticity and hydration, while combating signs of aging. By eating 2 dates daily for a month, you might notice improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. Lastly, it enhances sexual health. Some studies suggest that dates can improve sexual stamina due to their high nutrient content, particularly their amino acids that boost testosterone levels. The natural sugars and vitamins in dates can boost energy levels and libido, contributing to a more satisfying sex life. Further studies have shown that date fruit and pollen extract can improve sperm count, motility, morphology, and fertilization capacity in infertile men. After knowing the numerous benefits of eating 2 dates daily, let's see some simple ways to incorporate them into your diet. You can directly eat or blend them into smoothies for natural sweetness. You can easily pair them with almonds or walnuts for a nutritious snack. Further, you can chop dates and add them to salads for extra flavor. If we talk about its side effects, just eating 2 dates per day is generally safe for most people. But it's essential to be mindful of potential side effects, especially if you are allergic to dried fruits like dates. Symptoms may include stomach discomfort or skin reactions. Lastly, eating too many dates at once can lead to bloating or diarrhea due to their high fiber content. Now, you can comment on your thoughts as well. If you found this information helpful or interesting, please give us a thumbs up. Share this video with friends or family who might benefit from adding this simple yet powerful food into their lives. Don't forget to watch out for one more useful video that appears on the screen right now. Stay fit and thank you for watching.